Hey coders, Shri here and welcome to our channel. So, as you all know that I have been learning HTML CSS from past 3 months right now, including this month, alright. And I'm still on the way of learning, right? And I needed some tools to improve my web page designs. So I did a small research regarding free websites because I can't afford to buy premium right now. Alright, I'm still on my way to learn. I haven't learned properly. So I can't use a premium website right now before learning. So while learning, I'm also doing some projects, as you can see in my channel. So I did a small research regarding free tools that I can use in my codes to make the website look more amazing. All right, and I found 10 exciting websites that we can use as tools for CSS and HTML and CSS codes. All right, this video is going to be exciting, but in this video I'm going to show you eight websites only, because other two websites are really majorly important. I'm going to explain both the website to you later on, because it is really a vast website. You need to learn more about it. So for today I'm going to showcase you eight tools actually, which you can use in your HTML and CSS codes to make your website look great. Before we start this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below your idea of making a simple website using HTML and CSS only, and I'll create it for you. Alright, let's go together. Alright.
Now, so first let's directly open up our Chrome and let's quickly jump into our thing. Alright, so as you can see, these bookmarks I have done, these all are the websites that I need to show you. These are the tools. Alright, the first one is Shape Divider app. Alright, what it does exactly is it kind of gives a shape to a header dive element, which is really impressive actually. All right, you can try any kind of shape. There are multiple shapes. You can change the shades, I mean you can change the colors, and also you can flip it. You want you can invert it. All right, and you can if you want, you can do it at the top or the bottom or both simultaneously. All right, and you can change its width and height. You can adjust it according to you, and there are multiple shapes that you want to. But now the question is how, and yeah, look at this. You can make it for phones and laptops, tabs, any device you want. All right, you can adjust it accordingly. Now the question is how to use it. All right, now click on this. You'll find the HTML file, which you have to copy it here and paste it in your HTML files, and then we get here the CSS file. All right, everything is completely done. All you have to do is copy it and paste it at the right place in your HTML codes. All right, and you know where to actually paste it. And if you don't know, don't worry, I'm going to explain this briefly in some videos when I'll be using this tool. All right, so yeah, this is all. Now jumping on to our next tool, and voila, this is Uiverseio. All right, I will provide its link in the description. Don't worry about that. What we have here is we have so many interactive buttons, forms, and other elements that are important to be there in a web page. All right, as you can see, there are buttons, there are checkboxes, there are toggle switches, cards, and many more. There is no ending for that. All right, there are so many nice designs that you can use, so much interactive. All right, only with HTML and CSS. Some of it contains JS codes too. All right, but majorly it has HTML and CSS codes only. They are based on HTML and CSS code. All right, as you can see, if I click on forms, you'll get these kind of interface where you can just click on a particular form or click on a particular design that you want, and you can easily get code of it. For an example, if I click on first let me show you what are the things they have. These are the buttons they have, and these are some of the designs. And okay, let us see. If I click on this, all right, if I click on the get codes, you'll see the HTML and CSS code here. What you have to do is simply copy the HTML code. What you have to do is simply copy the HTML and CSS code and paste it in the right place. All right, you must have a little idea that where you have to apply it, because if you don't exactly have the idea where you have to paste it, it will go wrong. All right, and yeah, there were buttons, and these are the checkboxes, And yeah, there are so many so much interactive, all right, so much interactive designs they have. And okay, you see, like this you can get all the HTML and CSS codes, and they have button, checkboxes, toggle switches, cards, and loaders, and radio buttons, forms, buttons, sorry, patterns, and many more. All right, there are so many, and if you just click on all, it will display you all the things that they have. My favorite is this one, Among Us. I really love this. All right, I love to play games, and this is really interactive. I'm gonna use this in one of my project, I swear. All right, we'll make a Among Us website, and I'm definitely gonna use this in the future video. All right. So yeah, this is ui.io. I'm gonna provide the link below in the description, don't worry. And next, let's go to the gradient css.gradient. All right, what we have here is a gradient tool, which you can easily create so many beautiful gradients using two colors, and not just color, it has many shapes and directions too, from which part to which part you have to put the gradient. Let's just first adjust the colors, and then we'll go to the designs. Wait, I need this color. All right, really nice. This looks nice. And yeah, as you can see, this is radial and this is conic, linear. You can give it some shapes, you can give it some arrows, I mean, indications, all right, how it should be, from which color to which color it should display. Everything is you can customize it yourself. All right, and simply what you have to do is copy get cs. Just click on this get cs or get share link, link. You'll get the CSS codes, and yeah, as you can see, the CSS codes are copied in our clipboard, and you can simply just go and paste it somewhere. All right, and gradient, I mean the background of the web page doesn't need HTML codes. All right, you can just easily paste it anywhere you want. And then we have Transition.css. all right, now this is really important too, because yeah, this gives your web page a really interactive, a really much more exciting look. All right, when you'll open the web page, it will show a really small transition, or when you scroll down, it will show a transition animation. It is so interactive. What you have to do is just simply click on any kind of animation you want, and the CSS will automatically copy it in your clipboard, and you can just go and paste it wherever you want. All right, in whichever element of HTML that you have wrote you want. But everything all the tools I'm showing here here to you, they need a base code too. All right, and the base code should be written by yourself. All right, you can't just simply copy this and paste this in a blank page. All right, now this is excuse me. Oh wait, I'll just quickly log in here. So this is FontsAwesome, and this is basically a library for icons, stylish icons. All right, the icons that you need to use in your web page, like a phone call icon, or an email icon, or humanitarian icons like walking, jumping, climbing. You can get all your icons for free, but you have to provide your email right here. As you can see, once you provide your email, you'll get a free font kit. All right, font kit, which would contain fonts and awesome icons. Some of the icons, as you can see, these are pro icons. You can't have it, but you will get some free icons if you just provide your link. Provide your email below here. All right, just click on the email and send kit, and they will send a kit to your email, free kit, and you can easily use it. Well, we're gonna discuss about this later, but this is all over. I'm gonna provide its link below in the description. You can check it out quickly. All right. The next tool we have here is really important, which is Codrops CSS. All right, what is Codrops CSS? Well, it is a website which provides you all the information, all the notes regarding CSS properties and elements. This is really important to learn. This is really important because you can easily learn all about all the elements and its proper use, where you have to use these elements and where you have to use these properties of CSS. All right, it provides you all the as you can see, there are pseudo selectors, they're all properties, animations and transition, everything, anything you need, they have it all. All right, and they also have live demo sessions. You can watch their videos, and yeah, these are the links provided. You can easily read it and understand entire CSS. You can learn entire CSS from here. All right. So yeah, I mean, I think this is the most important tool of today's video. All right, this is the most important tool, and this is because this helps us learn something from basics to advanced. It has advanced properties too, which you need in future. All right, it has everything you need basically for CSS. Actually, only for CSS. It doesn't have HTML, but only for CSS. All right. Then we have here Google Fonts. You must be aware about this. This is Google Fonts. If you don't know about Google Fonts, just click on Google, search anywhere about Google Fonts, and it will display this page. It has many fonts like this. If I want pixel fonts, I can easily get the font from here. You can either download it there, or you can just copy it from here. All right, now not just font, it also had wait, let me show you. Yeah, these are some of the fonts are right here, and I'm gonna use these fonts in some of my projects too. And but not just font, it doesn't only have fonts, but it also has Noto, which is native language handwritings. And these are some of the icons. They have icons too. You can and yeah, surprising thing is these all are free, completely free. All the website I'm showing you, it's all completely free. You just have to sign up, and that's all you have to do. All right, and easily you can use this. See, if you want this icon to use, you can use it on web. You can just simply download the SVG or the PNG here, and you can use it on Android and iOS, anywhere you want. All right, it's really easy and simple. You'll ultimately figure it out yourself. I know. Let us see. I downloaded the PNG of it, and as you can see, this is the image we got. We can easily just put the PNG in our CSS file. That's all. Now next what we have is Animate.css. Now as you can see, I'm hovering my cursor over these names: bounce, flash. You can see there's a copy option there too, copy to the clipboard option there. So you can just easily click that and copy the CSS I mean the CSS properties of animation, and you can paste it in your base codes. All right, this is similar to the CSS animation, and but you can, I mean, it displays a particular word. It is applied onto a particular div element, I guess. And yeah, see, I am also learning, and you can learn too. And this website also has all the required information that you need: how to use this animation, how to use its libraries, how to export an animation. Everything you can get it down here. All right, you just have to read it and understand it. If you don't explore the CSS yourself, you won't understand what's going on. All right. Yeah, that is all for this website. Let's go on to the our other website. Let me just display all those websites that I have shown to you by now in my browser. Wait a minute. Yeah, I get. All right, now as you can see, this is Figma. All right, I was talking about this. This is the 9th tool that I have to explain to you, but I'm gonna explain you in another video because it is really vast and it is really complex to understand what it exactly does. Now, as you can see, these are all the websites, I mean to say the tools that you need for your CSS codes to make your web page look more interactive and fun. All right, because if you create a boring website, no one will get attracted towards it. But if you use some animations and some good font styles and icons, people would really get attracted to the website and they would visit it. All right. So I guess, yeah, these are all the things I had to say for today. And about those other two tools, I'm gonna explain about that in our later videos. All right.
So those were our 8 tools that are majorly important for our HTML and CSS. All right, and yeah, don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you how to use them in your codes in later videos, and also I'm gonna show those two major tools which are really important for you. One is for hosting hosting your free domain, and other one is for designing your website. All right, so I'm gonna explain those two in later videos in a brief manner, not like this. All right, so yeah, I guess that is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Let's code together, let's learn together. Tada, bye bye.